Okay, we are at 4517 Anvil. When you come in the door, this is what you see. So there's the door to the garage, there's stairs going downstairs, there's these stairs going upstairs, railings. So we're gonna go upstairs first. This must be a coat closet. Looking out. Yep. A little coat closet at the top of the stairs. This would be your view towards the front door. There's nice light coming in. Nice door. And this is a nice room with hardwood. Actually, this is laminate. But this is all open. And then as you come around here, this is the kitchen. And then right here, next to the kitchen, is this hallway. And the first door to my right is this bedroom. It's decent size. Big closet in here. And then there's a linen closet right next to it. End of the hall looks to be the master here. Nice vaulted ceilings. Nice doors out to the deck. That's pretty. And this is the walk-in closet. The carpet, as you can see in the house, is blue. It's not in the worst of shape, it's not in the best. I think I can smell cat in here a little bit, but doesn't seem overwhelming. Might need to be shampooed good. So at your master, there's a deck that runs the whole back of the house. And I'm gonna have to put my shoes on for you later and go out here, but I'll try to at least peek out to the backyard here with you. It's not really deep, but it's pretty decent and it's wide. And we'll look at the yard from the downstairs as well. So one thing I'm noticing right now is this master bedroom does not have its own bath. So just if that, oh, you know what, I lied. There's a door behind here, a hidden door. Maybe this is it. It does have its own bath. It just has a door to the hallway. You share it. So sorry, I just turned on the lights. Okay, so in the bathroom, there's a door and there's a door. There's two doors next to each other. And one goes to the master, this door. And then this door goes up to the hall, the main. So it would just be the main bathroom, but you do have your own door. And there's nice tile work in here. It's actually gorgeous. And it's a big tub, soaking tub. There's the sink. And hello from your friendly realtor. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys downstairs. There's skylights up here. There is really a lot of light in this room. It's fantastic, the main living space with the amount of light coming in here. And we're back to the blue carpet, which is, as you can see, dirty. But I know a good carpet guy. Okay, so as you come downstairs, there is, we're in this main family room fireplace. Looks to be wood. It's kind of nice. In this room, it's pretty decent size. windows and mirrors if you like the mirrors. Some exciting lighting going on. As we come through this room, there's the laundry room. Great front load LG washer and dryer. Actually, it looks pretty nice. And they're on pedestals, so they're up nice and high, and there's the storage. Window in this room. It's not dark when you do laundry. It's a pretty decent sized room. And then there's a hallway. First door in the hallway, another bedroom. And it's big, decent size actually, pretty big closet window. So let's peek out the window from down here. So there's that hot tub I saw on the listing. And we're under the deck right here. I'm going to go out of this room. Here's going to be your utility closet on the other side of this hallway. And another bedroom. So it's closet. It's missing the doors, but got a big closet there. Big window. Bathroom down here, tile on the floor. And some tub surround. Decent bathroom down here. And then right outside the bathroom has another linen closet. Storage a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to try and show you the yard a little bit better here. It's hard with the snow. I might have to put shoes on here. We're back upstairs. Okay. So now I'm going to take you out the door. Maybe I can get it unlocked. Okay. This is the door from the dining area out on the deck. Okay, so here's the side yard. One's back there. And the dogs would have access to be under this deck as well, so they could utilize more of this than we're seeing here. Okay, I'm gonna get my shoes cleaned off. So this, again, is 4517 Anvil. See you soon.